After your home inspection, your inspector should provide you with a home inspection report that summarizes the inspected property's current and potential problems that require attention, including their severity levels and their possible consequences. Each document may differ to some extent, but there are some standard components in a home inspection report. The informative summary of the home's general details includes its square footage and construction date, address, type of home, who was present and the weather condition during the inspection, definitions, and information about the state standards for a home inspection. This section may also contain any limitations noted by the inspector, such as having a lack of or no access to certain areas of the property. The report should also contain a general summary, including major issues with the house. The inspector will highlight any major concerns about the property. For instance, there could be water damage components that need immediate attention. Another section contains information about the major components of the home systems, including safety, function, and structure. Problems associated with major systems will be narrated in the report and are often accompanied by advice on how to proceed with the issues. This should include the property's structural components, interior and exterior, roof, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. You should expect photos of damaged items, issues, or defects. Frequently, inspectors will use thermal imaging, and the images are useful for illustrating problems that may be difficult to see, such as moisture and ventilation issues and faulty electrical setups. Now that you know what to expect, it's time to schedule your inspection. Remember, the earlier you know about potential problems, the easier and less expensive they will be to fix. Don't wait until there is a major issue. Get in touch with us today and let us help you protect your biggest investment.